In this video, we'll be showing you how we update our Xbox controller. The first thing we need to do is open up our settings. Then, within the settings, we will scroll down to Devices and Connections. We'll then select Controllers and Headsets. Now, we will want to select the More Options button. That is the one with the 3 little dots. Then here, we are prompted with a button to update the controller now. If there is no update available, then it will just be grayed out. But it's ready, so we can click Update Now. During the update, our controller needs to be motionless, so we will just set it on a table while it is updating. As you can see, the progress is displayed on the bar on the bottom, and then once it gets to 100%, we have to make sure that it gets the green check mark before we can pick up the controller. So it is updated, we can grab our controller, click Next, and there we have it. If you found this video helpful, it'd mean a lot if you could hit that like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.